Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Yes guys, we're here again with another cooking vlog. Today me I look for some saltfish cabbage with franks in it and some fried dumplings guys. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for. So this our lunch lunch and the 9 one because I don't think I'm gonna be cooking again for the rest of the day, and I've already ate. Me already eat from morning, so say this is just a lunch and dinner. Anyway, guys, remember you can follow me on other platforms at Fanika TV, but on Facebook you can find me at Erica Shackleford. Yes, guys, thank you for always supporting the channel, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Yeah, guys, we are fried some dumplings. Say Jamaican love dumplings, and we are making some little cabbage on the side with franks in it. So it's a full meal. So minute. All right, guys. Now look for some just cabbage with saltfish and franks with some fried dumplings for breakfast. I just thought me I look good today. Me now go cut the whole of the cabbage because as you can see, it's a big ass cabbage, right? Big ass cabbage. So I'm just gonna cut it in half. Okay. Yeah. I'm just gonna cut it in half and get it cut up so we can get it steam already. So yeah guys. Yeah. Put that piece over. Oh, guys. One thing I like with it is tight. It's tight. Yeah guys, so I contain them, so I put it in. I'm gonna season the cabbage. We have carrot, one carrot. Most people like to scrape off the carrot. I don't really do that thing, but carrot inside I agree. So I get it and cut it straight down. Right. Some people something that then cabbage then carrot. The inside I but I agree. Yeah guys, I'm gonna cut up my carrot. And carrot aside. Alright. I cut up some onion now, guys. I'm gonna put some sweet pepper. What is this? Then like a spoon. And I think one shot, my guys. All this kind of thing. Alright. Perfectly cut. Or put it. Yeah, guys. So I'm going to show you. I'll show you what else I'm going to put in my cabbage before I steam it. So I'm going to put in some jerk seasoning. Now this. Yeah. Our cabbage is spicy. And I'm also putting in some chicken seasoning. Really just any season overall. Oh, let me just mix it around. So I prepare this first before I prepare the dumpling them. Actually, it smells like something cook already. So you guys know, look warm starfish. I have yesterday at work. And some water. I just throw the water, yeah. And guys, so some fresh water. Starfish, guys, and I go scaly. Careful of skin. I know most people need to use the skin. But I use it. I don't want that part of none at all. Use my hand and just broke up the saltfish from the cabbage. And them a pop up too big. I mean, let's see, and then cook them and go straight up. I could never put things. I just like have the eat the saltfish with the bone. I'll fry the fangs first, guys. Slice them up. Oh, and keep up and burn. That will then wait. Okay. Not the one that I go. Yeah, guys. So, me I go make them fry first, and then me I go add in me cabbage and saltfish. This steam. Just want them here free. Get little flavor for and something. So yeah, guys. Stay tuned. Currently we have Wi-Fi problem. I'm just adding the cabbage. You really see me pick cabbage, you could have just eat right first. Okay. Girl, I got the date. One and all. Mm. What make? Hello. Well, tell her man say she leave. Okay, so I make some Thai dumpling. Come up, so. Dumpling tight. Hey guys, I'll turn them. Guys, last batch of um, dumplings. Put to fry. I think they won't let spoil this shit. Make them a little smaller than the first one then. And then you got it right. Let's make some space in the pot, guys, so everybody can hold. Everybody can hold. Everybody can hold. Yeah, right. So everybody's in. Yep. Sure, no. Look at it with my dumpling. Dumpling is still hot. You know, like with that food. I can't manage it. Hey, guys.